colour of this water.
Just poured there.
This is gorgeous. Poor Ben's not getting to enjoy it because he's face down into the drone. He's watching her here. You might need to duck. Look, there comes the duck. Let's keep high enough to get a beautiful butterfly flying around us. Oh, look at the colour of that water. Oh. That's why they call it the blue hole. Ben's still working with the drone. Got a bit of sun today, yay!
Do that again. Go around and do that again. Right, just go down to that tree and then come back again.
This is a pretty cool way to come and see the blue hole. Paddling into here in the canoe. That's pretty amazing. Look at the clarity, look how clear that water is. You can see the rocks, that's deep, and you can see everything down there.